Okay, so for math today, you have a bar graph flag collection. So we're going to be studying the graph and answering questions. I always think it's best to figure out the numbers for each thing. So here we have John has a hobby of collecting flags of different countries. The bar graph displays the number of flags collected by him using the graph to answer the questions. So let's look at each country and see how many numbers of flags each has, and we're going to write it out so we don't have to keep figuring out how many each country flags there are. So first there's China, so we're going to go up to the top of China, and we're going to look across to the number, and that's 14. So we're going to write 14 on top of it. Okay. Now we have the United Kingdom, so we're going to go up and over, and we have 22. So we're going to write 22. For France, there is 4. So we're going to write the number 4. For Malaysia, there is 10. So we're going to write 10. And then for Canada, we're going to go all the way over, and that's 18. So now we have our numbers. Okay, so now let's answer some questions. How many fewer China flags does John have than United Kingdom? So fewer means we need to subtract. Okay, so we're going to go and look at the United Kingdom number, which is 22, and China is 18. So you're going to go 22 minus 18. Actually, I'm sorry, I read it wrong. So you want to do United Kingdom to China. So United Kingdom is 22, and China is 14. So you're going to go 22 minus 14 to see how many fewer flags China has than United Kingdom. So I wrote it out on another piece of paper, in which I think is best for you to do too, okay? So you're going to go, you need to do 2 minus 4, which we can't do, so we have to take from our 2. Okay, so you're going to cross that 2 out, cross the 2 out, and you're going to make it a 1. And then you're going to cross out this 2, and you make it a 12. So 12 minus 4, so you go 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So our answer is 8. So we have 8 in that box. And then you go 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 8, so we're going to go back to, so we're back at our page, and we're going to write our answer on the line. So it said, how many fewer China flags does John have? They have 8 fewer China flags than United Kingdom flags. Number 2, which country flag does John have fewer than 5? So which number is less than 5? So look at all of your countries. Which one is less than 5? Less than 5 is France. So we're going to write France on the line. Or instead of writing France out, you can just circle it for me, okay? Number 3, how many more Malaysian flags should John need to have the same count as Canadian flags? So we want to use subtraction for this, okay? So you're going to subtract the Canadian flag, which is 18, by 10 Malaysian flags, okay? So you're going to go 18 minus 10. So you go 8 minus 0 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many? 8. Our answer is 8. So you need 8 more Malaysian flags to have the same as Canadian. Number 4, how many flags does John have altogether? So altogether means we need to add. Okay, so we're going to add 14, 22, 4, 10, and 18 all together. Okay, Okay, so let's do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 8, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you're going to put your 8 here, and we're going to carry a 1 up top. So we're going to put the 1 right here so we know. Okay, so now we have to add this line. Okay, so end this one. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he has 68 flags altogether. 68 flags altogether. Okay, so for number 5, it says write the countries in order from fewest flags to most flags. So instead of writing it out, I want you to just circle. First, I want you to circle the country with the least amount of flags. So when you look at your graph, which one has the least amount of flags? That is France, and I want you to circle it. Then I want you to circle the one with the most flags. So which country has the most flags? That is the United Kingdom. Very good. And that ends your math for the day.